Hi guys, once again we are bringing you another set of the coolest gadgets from AliExpress and Amazon sites, which helps you to choose the right products easily. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell. So let's get started. Number 1. SyncWire Cell Phone Ring Holder Stand, 360-degree rotation finger ring kickstand with polished metal phone grip for magnetic car mount, compatible with iPhone, Samsung, LG, Pixel, smartphone accessories. Features ultra-slim design. Made of high-quality zinc alloy and metal plate, SyncWire phone ring holder boasts unrivaled durability to stay intact even in dropping accidents. Vacuum ion plating technology makes the phone holder surface 5 times more resistant to color fading than traditional water electroplating ones. The edges of the ring grip are carefully polished for your fingers. Number 2. iWALK Blast Screen Protector, compatible for iPhone 11 XR, 6.1-inch 3-pack tempered glass. Works for iPhone 11, iPhone XR, 6.1-inch display, 0.33mm tempered glass screen protector. Featuring maximum protection from scratches, scrapes, and bumps. Number 3. Sony WF-1000XM4 industry-leading noise-canceling truly wireless earbud headphones with Alexa built-in, black. Crystal clear call quality, beamforming microphone and a bone conduction sensor provide clear voice detection even in noisy environments. Speak-to-chat technology automatically reduces volume during conversations. Note, if you face issue in Bluetooth connectivity, please turn off the Bluetooth function for a couple of minutes, then turn it back on. Number 4. iWALK Portable Apple Watch Charger, 9000 mAh power bank with built-in cable, Apple Watch and phone charger, compatible with Apple Watch Series 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, iPhone 14, 13, 12, 12 Pro Max, 11 XS. For Apple Watch, iPhone, iPod, it's an amazing option for on-the-go charging of your Apple Watch and iPhone, compatible with Apple Watch Series 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, as well as iPhone, iPod series. Number 5. Wireless Charger 3-in-1, magnetic foldable wireless charging station for iPhone 14, 13, 12, 11 Pro Max, XS Max, 8, 8 Plus, AirPods 3, 2 Pro, iWatch Series 7, 6, 5 as 4, 3, 2, 3-in-1 wireless charging. The 3-in-1 wireless charger station can charge for phone, Apple Watch, and AirPods. It's suitable for Apple AirPods 2, 3, AirPods Pro 2, and Apple Watch Series 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 as its support for hybrid charging between Apple and Android. Number 6. Universal Remote Smartphone IR Controller Adapter, USB-C Infrared Blaster Control for Android phone, all-in-one controller, air conditioner, TV, DVD, Roku, Vizio, Samsung TV, and more. This smart IR remote controller has stable and reliable IR signal, pairing to your household appliance easily. Steady transmission distance as long as 10 m. Why compatible? With this device and smartphone app, your phone will become a powerful remote control. Great choice for Samsung, Vizio, LG, Sony, Sharp, Roku, Apple TV, and more. Number 7. Wireless Charger, 3-in-1 wireless charging station, fast wireless charger stand for iPhone 14, 13, 12, 11 Pro Max, XS, XR, 8 Plus, for Apple Watch 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 SA, for AirPods 3, 2 Pro. Fast wireless charging station. Just place your multiple devices on the charger station. Enjoy fast wireless charging. After many extreme tests and feedback from fans, we use high-power charging chips and world-class electronic components to ensure the quality of the phone charging station and an 18W equipped adapter. It takes about 2 to 3 hours to give your cell phone, watch, and earbuds a full charge. Number 8. TG 90-degree cell phone external battery packs, 10,000 mAh power bank with built-in lightning cable, portable charger, battery backup, compatible with iPhone, Android phone power packs. Portable charger with built-in cables, multifunctional power bank with built-in lightning cable, USB-C, and micro USB cable. The portable battery charger built-in 3 cords supports charge almost all your smart devices. Do not need to carry any extra charging cords.
Number 9.
DJI RS3 Mini, 3-axis mirrorless gimbal lightweight stabilizer for Canon, Sony, Panasonic, Nikon, Fujifilm, 2 kg tested payload, Bluetooth shutter control, native vertical shooting. 795G lightweight and portable RS3 Mini is an ultra-compact camera stabilizer convenient for travel. Weighing only 795G, RS Mini 3 is easy to hold for extended shooting.
Number 10.
Anker 622 magnetic battery, 5000 mAh foldable magnetic wireless portable charger and USB-C for iPhone 14, 13, 12 series.
Strong and snappy, the super strong magnet snaps magnetically into place to ensure perfect alignment and an efficient charge.
Slim and compact, the sleek and slim design is only 0.5 inch thin, so you can single-handedly take calls, selfies, and more.
Number 11.
SD Micro SD card reader for iPhone, iPad, Android, Mac computer camera, portable memory card reader 4-in-1 micro SD card adapter and trail camera viewer compatible for TF and SD card 4-in-1 multi-interface. The memory card reader has various interfaces: USB, USB-C, micro USB SD card slot, micro SD card slot, and iOS devices. Charging port for iPhone, iPad. Easily transfer the file you need between different devices.
Number 12.
2 PCS Universal Car Shock Absorber Spring Bumper Power Auto Buffers A, B, C, D, E, F Type Spring Bumpers Rubber C-Type. C-Type, gapping of spring, 27mm spring thickness, 10mm spring high, 55mm spring diameter, 131mm effectively solve problem of spring's weakness when heavy load and improve performance of shock absorber.
Number 13.
UTRI Portable Car Jump Starter 59,200 mAh 2000 AP 12V Auto Car Battery Charger Jump Starter Booster Pack with Smart Jumper Cables, USB Quick Charge and Flashlight. UTRI Car Battery Jump Starter can deliver 2000 peak amps to restart 12V batteries quickly and easily. Suitable for motorcycles, trucks, vans and yachts up in a few minutes, even in extreme temperatures.
Number 14.
Lidl's DC12V LED car rear window signboard scrolling blue message display board LED banner with remote controller and cigar lighter, fast programmable. The remote LED car signboard program message by remote controller to change message, easy programming characters, accents, numbers and symbols.
By remote controller program English, Spanish, French and etc. Number 15. Wild Auto Blind Spot Mirrors, Adjustable Car Auxiliary Universal Wide-Angle Mirror for universal cars. Quality. The blind spot mirrors are made of quality material, waterproof and dustproof, durable and wear and tear resistant, rust and corrosion resistant. Safety. The car blind spot mirrors can give you a broader view, solve the dead angle zone of sight perfectly. The wide-angle mirror can be adjusted to any direction you need, helping you watch every direction of your car back conveniently and help you drive safely.